This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 23rd of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I've actually done a post on this morning, which has got all the targets and support levels, so I suggest you have a look at it. In the meantime, on the hourly chart, we've got a weak RSI 14 buy signal fixed on Bitcoin, not delivered anything so far. We've got a nice looking, I mentioned yesterday morning, we might form a head and shoulders here, and we have formed a head and shoulders, and that head and shoulders is broken down. The target is in the 63,500 area. The support levels on the way are the daily middle band, which is at 64,794, and the 200 DMA, which is 63,321. That back test of the 200 DMA would be a pretty good match with that head and shoulder target, and I'm thinking that might well be reached. Looking at Ethereum. We didn't really have anything on the in terms of a topping pattern here, but we had a weak RSI 14 sell signal which fixed yesterday and failed overnight, and we've got an RSI 5 buy signal fixed here which hasn't quite failed but has certainly been trying. Looking at the daily chart, we've got double support here, which I'm thinking might get tested, and that is at the daily middle band at 25.30, well, 25.31 really, and that's supported by the 200 DMA, which is by the 50 DMA, which is at 24.87 or 24.88. That's good double support. We could see a test of it. I'd really be expecting that to hold. And actually it's also supported by the monthly pivot, which is at 24.94. So that's triple support. I'd be looking for that to hold, but I am thinking it might get tested. Looking at Solana. Solana's been holding up really well, better than the other two. And really, this could just be a bullish triangle forming. But I am thinking that if we are going to see that Bitcoin head and shoulders make target, then there's a chance we could head down and hit this megaphone support. This is a decent looking little rising megaphone at the moment, but it would need confirmation with a test of this support. I'm thinking we might get that, and I've got that currently in the 157.5 area. A long way below that is the main support here. We've got the daily middle band at 151.79, and we've got the 200 DMA at 150.88. Is there any particular reason to think those will get tested? No, there isn't. But I would note that a period of consolidation stroke retracement here, albeit it doesn't need to be a large one, is suggested by this test of the 3SD upper band a couple of days ago. So we're doing a bit of consolidation here. That wouldn't be at all unusual, although not always to be seen, but it wouldn't be at all unusual. You can see here we did the same thing for a couple of days, and we consolidated for 4 days and then went up again. Here we hit it again, we consolidated for about a week and went down, and then made a higher high. A consolidation in this situation isn't unusual. We've got another one here. This is quite a regular thing. So sometimes you see these things at significant highs. There's nothing to suggest this is a significant high at the moment. It could be, but there really is nothing to suggest it. We will see. All right, great. Let's have a look. Have we got any questions? Nope. Well, my pleasure as always. I'll have everything posted as soon as possible. Have a look at the post I did this morning, and I'll catch you guys later.